Jamie Veal. Lee Jenkins! Mae hwnna am sefyll. Wel, Met ddim yn delio. Da'r cic rydd i'r cwrt. Oedd ddim yn edrych yn beryglus, ond Met ddim yn delio da hi. A hawdd i Lee Jenkins sgorio ail gol o'r tymor i roi Aberystwyth ar y blaen yn erbyn y myfyrwyr. Agosau at hanner awr ar y cloc, Elliot Evans. Postiodd y gosa. Ac Emlyn Lewis ar y post i pella. Wel, dwi ddim am gyfri. Wel, Emlyn Lewis yn meddwl bod wedi sgorio yn erbyn Aberystwyth am y 4edd tro tymor yma, ond dwi ddim am gyfri. Gregor Zabret, wel, pwy sy'n dod fyna. Chubb. At y llinell gefn, yn tynnu nôl Harry Owen, Ceri o le. A ddim yn gallu codi'r bêl dros Zabret yn syth at y golwr sy'n rhoi ddi mas am dafliad. Joe Evans. Nôl fewn yn y tîm wedi gwaharddiad o'r croesiad McCarthy! Am bas ac am ergyd gan McCarthy i roi y Met nôl yn y gêm yma. Maen nhw wedi noni'r sgôr. Campus gan Joe Evans ar symudiad ola yna gan McCarthy am gol Bert. Rosgo ar flic. Harry Owen. Jenkins oedd yn atal fyna. Harry Owen yn troi ac yn gweld bod Sam Jones unwaith eto mewn tipyn o le. Lawr rasgell chwith Sam Jones i'r cwrt yn tynnu nôl at Elliot Evans. Arbediad! Ac Harry Owen yn dilyn methu a'i gwiro i fewn tuag at gol. Zabret yn achub o dydd i Aberystwyth wrth i y Met bwyso.
Kyle, first goal of the season for you, but taken like a seasoned striker. Happy with it?
Yeah, it's okay. They come few and far between, so I'll make the most of that one. For the last time I scored in open play is probably about 3 years ago. So yeah, it's nice ball from Joey. Centre back connection. So it doesn't come around too often, but I'll take it. Yeah.
I thought first half we done really well. We created a few chances there, and then second half, then they dominated the game. To be fair, we were under cosh for quite a lot of time, but in order to get big points, whether it's a win or whether it's a draw like we've had today, you've got to defend right, and I thought we defended really well in that second half.
A point for you, also 2 points taken away from Aberystwyth in the race for 7th. Quite key.
Yes, everybody keeps talking about the 7th spot. Let's be mindful of the teams that are down there. 4 teams in the bottom half of the table within the last 4 years have played in Europe. That's the strength of the bottom 6 this year. So we just got to make sure that every game we look at, we approach as we're middle of the season, not whether it's finishing 7th. Looking at down, thinking, we just got to make sure we do our jobs. We've got a ridiculously tough game next week at Connah's Quay. That's going to be really, really hard. Then we've got a quick turnaround to play against Caerdydd, and we finish with Haverfordwest. So it's being mindful that our next train of thought is preparing against a very good and a very solid Connah's Quay team.
Next, you've got Druids. A key game for you?
Yeah, big game. And like you say, everyone, without being disrespectful to Druids, everyone's saying, that's your points where you pick up, and it's not the case. We found ourselves 3-1 down up at their place in the 91st minute, and they took the game to us and, probably deserved to win the game in that second half. But, we're prepped right as we always do. Players need a good recovery now, so we'll get them in Tuesday, rubs, whatever they need, and then we'll make sure that we're right ready to go and hopefully pick up 3 points.